إليه يرد علم الساعة وما تخرج من ثمرات من أكمامها وما تحمل من أنثى ولا تضع إلا بعلمه ويوم يناديهم أين شركائي قالوا آذناك ما منا من شهيد.
The knowledge of the last day is attributed to only him, and no fruit comes out from its peel, and nor does any female conceive nor give birth but with his knowledge. And on the day when he will call out to them, i.e., the polytheists, where are my partners whom you associated? They will say, we have told you that no one amongst us can testify that you have partners.
وضل عنهم ما كانوا يدعون من قبل وظنوا ما لهم من محيص.
And they have lost what they used to worship before, and they have perceived that they do not have a place to escape from punishment.
لا يسأم الإنسان من دعاء الخير وإن مسه الشر فيئوس قنوط.
Man does not tire of seeking goodness, and if some misfortune reaches him, so he loses hope, despairing.
ولئن أذقناه رحمة منا من بعد ضراء مسته ليقولن هذا لي وما أظن الساعة قائمة ولئن رجعت إلى ربي إن لي عنده للحسنى فلننبئن الذين كفروا بما عملوا ولنذيقنهم من عذاب غليظ.
And if we make him taste our mercy after the hardship which befell him, so he will say, this is mine, and in my perception the last day will not be established, and if I were to be returned to my Lord, so there is also definitely only goodness for me by him. So we shall definitely inform the disbelievers of what they did, and we shall definitely make them taste a dense punishment.
وَإِذَا أَنْعَمْنَا عَلَى الْإِنسَانِ أَعْرَضَ وَنَأَى بِجَانِبِهِ وَإِذَا مَسَّهُ الشَّرُّ فَذُو دُعَاءٍ عَرِيضٍ.
And when we favor man, so he turns his face away and draws back to himself. And when some hardship reaches him, so he is the one with a lengthy supplication.
قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ كَانَ مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ ثُمَّ كَفَرْتُمْ بِهِ مَنْ أَضَلُّ مِمَّنْ هُوَ فِي شِقَاقٍ بَعِيدٍ.
Say you, O beloved, so tell me, if this Quran is from Allah, then you denied it. So, who is more astray than the one who is in far stubbornness?
سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق أولم يكف بربك أنه على كل شيء شهيد.
We shall now show them our signs in the entire universe and within their own selves until it becomes clear to them that indeed that, i.e., the Quran is the truth. Is your Lord not sufficient to be witness over all things?
ألا إنهم في مرية من لقاء ربهم ألا بكل شيء محيط.
Listen, they are definitely doubtful regarding meeting their Lord. Listen, He encompasses all things. Surah Ash-Shura. This surah is Makkiyah containing 53 verses and 5 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
حميم عين سين قاف كذلك يوحي إليك وإلى الذين من قبلك الله العزيز الحكيم.
This is how Allah, the Most Honorable, the All-Wise, sends revelation to you, O beloved, and to those before you.
له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العلي العظيم.
Only to Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, and only He is the exalted, the great.
تكاد السماوات يتفطرن من فوقهن والملائكة يسبحون بحمد ربهم ويستغفرون لمن في الأرض ألا إن الله هو الغفور الرحيم.
It is near that the heavens may split apart from above them, and the angels glorify their Lord while praising Him and seek forgiveness for those on earth, i.e., the believers. Pay heed, indeed, only Allah is the most forgiving, the most merciful.
والذين اتخذوا من دونه أولياء الله حفيظ عليهم وما أنت عليهم بوكيل.
And those who have chosen helpers other than Allah, i.e., the false deities, they are in the sight of Allah, and you are not responsible for them.
وكذلك أوحينا إليك قرآنا عربيا لتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها وتنذر يوم الجمع لا ريب فيه فريق في الجنة وفريق في السعير.
And this is how we have revealed to you in Arabic Quran, that you may warn the people of the mother of all cities, i.e., Makkah, and all those around it, and you should warn of the day of assembling in which there is no doubt. One group is in paradise, i.e., the believers, and one group is in hell, i.e., the disbelievers.
وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَجَعَلَهُمْ أُمَّةً واحدة ولكن يدخل من يشاء في رحمته والظالمون ما لهم من ولي ولا نصير.
And had Allah willed, so He would have made them all upon one religion, but He takes whomsoever He wills into His mercy, and the unjust do not have any friend nor any helper.
أم اتخذوا من دونه أولياء فالله هو الولي وهو يحيي الموتى وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Have they appointed helpers other than Allah, i.e., their idols? So they must know that only Allah is the helper, and He will revive the dead, and He is able to do all things.
وَمَا اخْتَلَفْتُمْ فِيهِ مِنْ شَيْءٍ فَحُكْمُهُ إِلَى اللَّهِ ذَلِكُمُ اللَّهُ رَبِّي عَلَيْهِ تَوَكَّلْتُ وَإِلَيْهِ أُنِيبُ.
And in whatever you differ, so its judgment is with Allah. This is my Lord, I relied upon Him, and towards Him I return.
فاطر السماوات والأرض جعل لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا ومن الأنعام أزواجا يذرأكم فيه ليس كمثله شيء وهو السميع البصير.
The maker of the heavens and the earth, he has created pairs for you from your own selves, and also male and female animals. From it he causes your generation to spread. No one is like him, and only he is the all-hearing, the all-seeing.
له مقاليد السماوات والأرض يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر إنه بكل شيء عليم.
For only him are the keys of the heavens and the earth. He increases the sustenance from whomsoever he wills and restricts it for whomever he wills. Indeed, he knows everything.
شرع لكم من الدين ما وصى به نوحا والذي أوحينا إليك وما وصينا به إبراهيم وموسى وعيسى أن أقيموا الدين ولا تتفرقوا فيه كبر على المشركين ما تدعوهم إليه الله يجتبي إليه من يشاء ويهدي إليه من ينيب.
He has established for you that path of the religion which he commanded to Nuh, and what we have revealed to you, O beloved, and what we have commanded to Ibrahim and Musa and Isa, that keep the religion properly established and do not create divisions in it. The polytheists find that to be unbearable, towards which you call them, and Allah chooses for His closeness whomsoever He wills, and guides towards Himself whomsoever turns towards His obedience.
وما تفرقوا إلا من بعد ما جاءهم العلم بغيا بينهم ولولا كلمة سبقت من ربك إلى أجل مسمى لقضي بينهم وإن الذين أورثوا الكتاب من بعدهم لفي شك منه مريب.
And they did not cause divisions except after this, that knowledge had come to them because of jealousy amongst themselves, and had it not been for a word of your Lord that had already been decreed until a fixed time, so judgment would have been passed upon them a long time ago. And indeed, those who inherited the book after them, they are in deceptive doubt concerning it.
فلذلك فادع واستقم كما أمرت ولا تتبع أهواءهم وقل آمنت بما أنزل الله من كتاب وأمرت لأعدل بينكم الله ربنا وربكم لنا أعمالنا ولكم أعمالكم لا حجة بيننا وبينكم الله يجمع بيننا وإليه المصير.
So, for this reason, call and remain firm as you are commanded to, and do not follow their desires, and say that, I believed in whichever book Allah has sent down, and I am commanded to judge fairly between you. Allah is our Lord, and your Lord of everyone. Our deed is for us, and what you did is for you. There is no need for an argument between us and you. Allah will gather all of us together, and towards only Him is the return.
والذين يحاجون في الله من بعد ما استجيب له حجتهم داحضة عند ربهم وعليهم غضب ولهم عذاب شديد.
And those who fight concerning Allah after the Muslims have accepted his invitation. Their argument does not have any weight at all before their Lord, and upon them is the wrath of Allah, and for them is a severe punishment.
الله الذي أنزل الكتاب بالحق والميزان وما يدريك لعل الساعة قريب.
It is Allah who has sent down the book with the truth and the scale of justice. And what do you know? Perhaps the hour is near.
يستعجل بها الذين لا يؤمنون بها والذين آمنوا مشفقون منها ويعلمون أنها الحق ألا إن الذين يمارون في الساعة لفي ضلال بعيد.
Those who do not believe in it are hastening in it, and those who believe in it are fearing it, and know that it is indeed the truth. Beware, indeed, those who doubt the last day are definitely in far error.
الله لطيف بعباده يرزق من يشاء وهو القوي العزيز.
Allah is all subtle with His bondsmen. He bestows sustenance to whomsoever He wills, and only He is the all-powerful, the most honorable.
من كان يريد حرث الآخرة نزد له في حرثه ومن كان يريد حرث الدنيا نؤته منها وما له في الآخرة من نصيب.
Whosoever desires the harvest of the hereafter, we increase his harvest for him. And whoever desires the harvest of this world, we will give him some of it, and he has no share in the hereafter.
أم لهم شركاء شرعوا لهم من الدين ما لم يأذن به الله ولولا كلمة الفصل لقضي بينهم وإن الظالمين لهم عذاب أليم.
Or do they have other deities who have brought forward that religion for them, which Allah has not permitted? Had there not been the promise of a decision, judgment would have therefore been passed amongst them here. And indeed, for the unjust is a painful punishment.
ترى الظالمين مشفقين مما كسبوا وهو واقع بهم والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات في روضات الجنات لهم ما يشاءون عند ربهم ذلك هو الفضل الكبير.
You will see the wrongdoers being terrified of their own earnings, and the outcome will certainly befall them. And those who believed and performed good deeds are in meadows of paradise. For them, by their Lord, is whatever they desire. Only this is the great benevolence of Allah.
ذلك الذي يبشر الله عباده الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إلا المودة في القربى ومن يقترف حسنة نزد له فيها حسنا إن الله غفور شكور.
This is that of which Allah gives the glad tidings to His bondsmen who believed and did good deeds. Say you, O beloved, I do not ask any recompense from you for this propagation of religion except your love for my near relatives. And whosoever performs a good deed, so we further increase goodness in it for him. Indeed, Allah is most forgiving, most appreciative.
أم يقولون افترى على الله كذبا فإن يشأ الله يختم على قلبك ويمحو الله الباطل ويحق الحق بكلماته إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Or Or do they say this, that he, i.e., the beloved Prophet Muhammad, has fabricated lie against Allah, and if Allah wills, He could set a seal of His mercy and protection upon your heart, and Allah wipes out falsehood and proves the truth, i.e., Islam by His word. Indeed, He knows what is within the hearts.
وهو الذي يقبل التوبة عن عباده ويعفو عن السيئات ويعلم ما تفعلون.
And it is He who accepts the repentance of His bondsmen and pardons the sins of His bondsmen and knows whatever you do.
ويستجيب الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات ويزيدهم من فضله والكافرون لهم عذاب شديد.
And He accepts the supplication of those who believed and did good deeds, and by His benevolence gives them more reward, and for the disbelievers is severe punishment.
ولو بسط الله الرزق لعباده لبغوا في الأرض ولكن ينزل بقدر ما يشاء إنه بعباده خبير بصير.
And had Allah increased the sustenance for all of His bondsmen, they would have therefore definitely caused turmoil in the earth. But He sends down the sustenance with a set measure as much as He wills. Indeed, He is well aware of His bondsmen. He sees them.
وهو الذي ينزل الغيث من بعد ما قنطوا وينشر رحمته وهو الولي الحميد.
And it is He who sends down the rain when they have given up hope and spreads His mercy. And He is the helper, the most praiseworthy.
ومن آياته خلق السماوات والأرض وما بث فيهما من دابة وهو على جمعهم إذا يشاء قدير.
And amongst His signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the walking creatures in them which have been spread out. And He is powerful in gathering them whenever He wills.
وما أصابكم من مصيبة فبما كسبت أيديكم ويعفو عن كثير.
And whatever calamity befell you, that is because of what your hands have earned, and He pardons much.
وما أنتم بمعجزين في الأرض وما لكم من دون الله من ولي ولا نصير.
And you cannot escape from the control of Allah in the earth, and you have neither a friend nor any helper against Allah.
ومن آياته الجوار في البحر كالأعلام.
And amongst His signs are the ships sailing on the sea like mountains.
إن يشأ يسكن الريح فيظللن رواكد على ظهره إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
If He wants, He can stop the winds, that the ship remains still on the surface of it, i.e., the sea. Indeed, in this are definitely signs for every greatly patient, greatly thankful one.
أو يوبقهن بما كسبوا ويعفو عن كثير.
Or He may destroy them due to the sins of people, and He may forgive much.
ويعلم الذين يجادلون في آياتنا ما لهم من محيص.
And those who dispute regarding our verses may realize that they do not have any place to escape.
فما أوتيتم من شيء فمتاع الحياة الدنيا وما عند الله خير وأبقى للذين آمنوا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
Whatever you have received is only beneficial in the life of this world, and that which is with Allah is far better and more lasting for those who believed and rely upon their Lord.
والذين يجتنبون كبائر الإثم والفواحش وإذا ما غضبوا هم يغفرون.
And for those who avoid major sins and indecencies and forgive when they are angry.
والذين استجابوا لربهم وأقاموا الصلاة وأمرهم شورى بينهم ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
And those who obeyed the command of their Lord and kept Salah established, and whose matters are decided with mutual consultation, and who spend some in our path from what we have bestowed upon them.
والذين إذا أصابهم البغي هم ينتصرون.
And those who, when they are wronged, take revenge accordingly.
وجزاء سيئة سيئة مثلها فمن عفا وأصلح فأجره على الله إنه لا يحب الظالمين.
The retribution for an evil act is an evil equal to exactly that. So whosoever forgave and made amends, his reward is therefore upon the responsibility of the generosity of Allah. Indeed, He does not befriend the unjust.
وَلَمَنِ انتصر بعد ظلمه فأولئك ما عليهم من سبيل.
And indeed, whosoever took revenge of him being oppressed, there is no way of them being blamed.
إنما السبيل على الذين يظلمون الناس ويبغون في الأرض بغير الحق أولئك لهم عذاب أليم.
Blame is only for those who oppress people and wrongfully spread turmoil in the land. For them is a painful punishment.
وَلَمَنْ صَبَرَ وَغَفَرَ إِنَّ ذَلِكَ لَمِنْ عَزْمِ الْأُمُورِ.
And indeed, whosoever observed patience and forgave, so these are indeed acts of great courage.
وَمَنْ يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ فَمَا لَهُ مِنْ وَلِيٍّ مِّنْ بَعْدِهِ وَتَرَى الظَّالِمِينَ لَمَّا رَأَوُا الْعَذَابَ يَقُولُونَ هَلْ إِلَى مَرَدٍّ مِّن سَبِيلٍ.
And whomever Allah causes to go astray, there is no friend for him against Allah. And you will see the wrongdoers, that when they will see the punishment, they will say, is there any way of going back?
وَتَرَاهُمْ يُعْرَضُونَ عَلَيْهَا خَاشِعِينَ مِنَ الذُّلِّ يَنظُرُونَ مِن طَرْفٍ خَفِيٍّ وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا إِنَّ الْخَاسِرِينَ الَّذِينَ خَسِرُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ وَأَهْلِيهِمْ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ أَلَا إِنَّ الظَّالِمِينَ فِي عَذَابٍ مُقِيمٍ.
And you will see them that they are being presented upon the fire, cowering with disgrace, looking sneakily. And the believers will say, indeed, ruined are those who have lost their lives and their families on the day of resurrection. Pay heed, indeed, the unjust are in everlasting punishment.
وَمَا كَانَ لَهُم مِّنْ أَوْلِيَاءَ يَنصُرُونَهُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ وَمَن يُضْلِلِ اللَّهُ فَمَا لَهُ مِن سَبِيلٍ.
And they had no friends to help them against Allah, and there is no way at all for him whom Allah causes to go astray.
استجيبوا لربكم من قبل أن يأتي يوم لا مرد له من الله ما لكم من ملجأ يومئذ وما لكم من نكير.
Obey the command of your Lord before the arrival of that day, which is not to be averted from Allah. You will not have any refuge on that day, nor shall there be any room of denial for you.
فإن أعرضوا فما أرسلناك عليهم حفيظا إن عليك إلا البلاغ وإنا إذا أذقنا الإنسان منا رحمة فرح بها وإن تصبهم سيئة بما قدمت أيديهم فإن الإنسان كفور.
Hence, if they turn away, so we have not sent you as a guardian over them. Upon you is nothing but to convey the message. And when we let man taste some mercy from us, he rejoices thereof. And if some harm reaches them as a recompense of what their hands have sent ahead, man is therefore greatly unthankful.
لله ملك السماوات والأرض يخلق ما يشاء يهب لمن يشاء إناثا ويهب لمن يشاء الذكور.
For only Allah is the kingship of the heavens and the earth. He creates whatever He wills. He may bestow daughters to whomsoever He wills, and sons to whomsoever He wills.
أو يزوجهم ذكرانا وإناثا ويجعل من يشاء عقيما إنه عليم قدير.
Or may mix them, the sons and daughters, and may make infertile whomever He wills. Indeed, He is all-knowing, all-powerful.
وما كان لبشر أن يكلمه الله إلا وحيا أو من وراء حجاب أو يرسل رسولا فيوحي بإذنه ما يشاء إنه علي حكيم.
And it is not appropriate for any human being that Allah should speak to him except as a revelation, or while the human being is on that side of the veil of greatness of Allah, or He sends an angel to reveal by His command whatever He wills. Indeed, He is all supreme, all wise.
وكذلك أوحينا إليك روحا من أمرنا ما كنت تدري ما الكتاب ولا الإيمان ولكن جعلناه نورا نهدي به من نشاء من عبادنا وإنك لتهدي إلى صراط مستقيم.
And this is how we sent the revelation to you, O beloved, an entity which gives life to faith by our command. Without our teaching, before this, neither did you know the book nor the intricate commands of the religion. But we have made this, i.e., the Quran, a light by which we guide whomever we will from our bondsmen. And indeed, you definitely show the straight path of Islamic Sharia.
صراط الله الذي له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ألا إلى الله تصير الأمور.
The path of Allah, that only to Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth. Pay heed, all matters return to only Allah. Surah Az-Zukhruf. This surah is Makkiyah, containing 89 verses and 7 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
حميم والكتاب المبين.
By the oath of the luminous Quran.
إنا جعلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
We have sent it as an Arabic Quran so that you may understand.
وإنه إنه في أم الكتاب لدينا لعلي حكيم.
And that, i.e., the Quran is undoubtedly in the mother book, i.e., the preserved tablet with us, which is definitely exalted, full of wisdom.
أفنضرب عنكم الذكر صفحا أن كنتم قوما مسرفين.
So, shall we take away the remembrance, i.e., the Quran from you, because you people go beyond the limit?
وكم أرسلنا من نبي في الأولين.
And how many conveyors of unseen news, i.e., prophets, did we send amongst the earlier people?
وما يأتيهم من نبي إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
And whenever any conveyor of the unseen, i.e., prophet came to them, they only mocked him.
فأهلكنا أشد منهم بطشا ومضى مثل الأولين.
We henceforth destroyed the people who were more forceful than these, and the state of the earlier ones has already passed.
ولئن سألتهم من خلق السماوات والأرض ليقولن خلقهن العزيز العليم.
And if you ask them, who has created the heavens and the earth, they will hence definitely say, the most honorable, the all-knowing has created them.
الذي جعل لكم الأرض مهدا وجعل لكم فيها سبلا لعلكم تهتدون.
The one who made the earth a bed for you and made paths therein for you, that you may find the path of guidance.
والذي نزل من السماء ماء بقدر فأنشرنا به بلدة ميتا كذلك تخرجون.
And who sent down water from the sky with the proper measure, so we revived a dead city with it. This is how you will be brought forth on the day of resurrection.
والذي خلق الأزواج كلها وجعل لكم من الفلك والأنعام ما تركبون.
And the one who created all pairs and made from the ships and the animals a means of transportation for you.
لتستووا على ظهوره ثم تذكروا نعمة ربكم إذا استويتم عليه وتقولوا سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين.
That you may sit properly on their backs, and then remember your Lord's favor when you have sat on them properly, and say in this manner, Glory be to Him who has given this transportation in our control, and this was not to be in our control.
وَإِنَّا إِلَىٰ رَبِّنَا لَمُنقَلِبُونَ.
And indeed, we have to return to our Lord.
وَجَعَلُوا لَهُ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ جُزْءًا إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَكَفُورٌ مُبِينٌ.
And they have appointed some of His bondsmen to be part of Him. Mankind is indeed clearly ungrateful.
أَمِ اتَّخَذَ مِمَّا يَخْلُقُ بَنَاتٍ وَأَصْفَاكُم بِالْبَنِينَ.
Has He chosen daughters for Himself from His creation and specifically chosen sons for you?
وَإِذَا بُشِّرَ أَحَدُهُم بِمَا ضَرَبَ لِلرَّحْمَنِ مَثَلًا ظَلَّ وَجْهُهُ مُسْوَدًّا وَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ.
And when one of them is given the glad tidings of that thing which He has attributed to the most gracious, his face therefore remains darkened the whole day, and he is grief-stricken.
أَوَمَن يُنَشَّأُ فِي الْحِلْيَةِ وَهُوَ فِي الْخِصَامِ غَيْرُ مُبِينٍ.
The one who is brought up in ornament, i.e., women, and in argument cannot make herself clear.
وَجَعَلُوا الْمَلَائِكَةَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ عِبَادُ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنَاثًا أَشَهِدُوا خَلْقَهُمْ ستكتب شهادتهم ويسألون.
And they regarded the angels to be females who are the bondsmen of the Most Gracious. Were they present at the time of their creation? Now their testimony will be recorded and an answer will be demanded from them.
وقالوا لو شاء الرحمن ما عبدناهم ما لهم بذلك من علم إن هم إلا يخرصون.
And they said, if the Most Gracious willed, we would not have worshipped them, i.e., the angels. They do not know its reality at all. They only make speculations.
أم آتيناهم كتابا من قبله فهم به مستمسكون.
Or have we given them some book before this which they are holding firmly?
بل قالوا إنا وجدنا آباءنا على أمة وإنا على آثارهم مهتدون.
Rather they said, we found our forefathers upon a particular religion and we are following their footsteps.
وكذلك ما أرسلنا من قبلك في قرية من نذير إلا قال مترفوها إنا وجدنا آباءنا على أمة وإنا على آثارهم مقتدون.
And similarly, whenever we sent any warner before you, O beloved, into any town, its wealthy people said only this, that we found our forefathers upon a particular religion and we are following in their footsteps.
قال أولو جئتكم بأهدى مما وجدتم عليه آباءكم قالوا إنا بما أرسلتم به كافرون.
The Prophet Muhammad said, even if I bring to you a path more upright than what you found your forefathers following, they said, we do not believe in whatever you have been sent with.
فانتقمنا منهم فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين.
We henceforth took revenge on them. Therefore, see how was the outcome of those who belie.
وإذ قال إبراهيم لأبيه وقومه إنني براء مما تعبدون.
And when Ibrahim said to his father and his people, I am disgusted with that which you worship.
إلا الذي فطرني فإنه سيهدين.
Except he who has created me, who will definitely direct me very soon.
وجعلها كلمة باقية في عقبه لعلهم يرجعون.
And Ibrahim kept the statement of the oneness of Allah as a legacy amongst his progeny, in order that they may refrain.
بل متعت هؤلاء وآباءهم حتى جاءهم الحق ورسول مبين.
Rather, I gave them and their forefathers the benefits of this world until the truth, i.e., the Quran and the beloved messenger who clearly conveyed the message came to them.
ولما جاءهم الحق قالوا هذا سحر وإنا به كافرون.
And when the truth came to them, they said, this is magic, and we disbelieve in it.
وقالوا لولا نزل هذا القرآن على رجل من القريتين عظيم.
And they said, why was the Quran not sent down upon some chief of these two great towns?
أهم يقسمون رحمة ربك نحن قسمنا بينهم معيشتهم في الحياة الدنيا ورفعنا بعضهم فوق بعض درجات ليتخذ بعضهم بعضا سخريا ورحمة ربك خير مما يجمعون.
Are they the distributors of your Lord's mercy? We have distributed amongst them their goods of livelihood in the life of this world, and we raised some of them over others in ranks. That one would mock the other, and the mercy of your Lord is better than all what they gather.
ولولا أن يكون الناس أمة واحدة لجعلنا لمن يكفر بالرحمن لبيوتهم سقفا من فضة ومعارج عليها يظهرون.
And had it not been that all the people would follow one religion, so we would have definitely provided for the deniers of the Most Gracious silver roofs and stairways of silver whereby they could climb.
وَلِبُيُوتِهِمْ أَبْوَابًا وَسُرُرًا عَلَيْهَا يَتَّكِئُونَ.
And doors of silver for their houses, and couches of silver upon which they could recline.
وَزُخْرُفًا وَإِن كُلُّ ذَلِكَ لَمَّا مَتَاعُ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا وَالْآخِرَةُ عِندَ رَبِّكَ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ.
And various kinds of adornments, and all this is only good for the life of this world, and the hereafter with your Lord is for the pious.
وَمَن يَعْشُ عَن ذِكْرِ الرَّحْمَنِ نُقَيِّضْ لَهُ شَيْطَانًا فَهُوَ لَهُ قَرِينٌ.
And whoever has blinded himself from the remembrance of the Most Gracious, we appoint a devil upon him, that he stays with him as his companion.
وَإِنَّهُمْ لَيَصُدُّونَهُمْ عَنِ السَّبِيلِ وَيَحْسَبُونَ أَنَّهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ.
And indeed, those devils prevent them from the straight path, and they think this, that they are on the straight path.
حَتَّى إِذَا جَاءَنَا قَالَ يَا لَيْتَ بَيْنِي وَبَيْنَكَ بُعْدَ الْمَشْرِقَيْنِ فَبِئْسَ الْقَرِينُ.
Until when a disbeliever will come to us, he will say to his devil, Alas, if only there was a distance of east and the west between me and you. So, what an evil companion he is.
وَلَن يَنفَعُكُمُ الْيَوْمَ إِذ ظَّلَمْتُمْ أَنَّكُمْ فِي الْعَذَابِ مُشْتَرِكُونَ.
It will be said to them, and you will never benefit from them this day, since you have committed injustice, that you all share the punishment.
أَفَأَنْتَ تُسْمِعُ الصُّمَّ أَوْ تَهْدِي الْعُمْيَ وَمَنْ كَانَ فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ.
So, will you make the deaf hear, or show the path to blind, and to those who are in open error?
فَإِمَّا نَذْهَبَنَّ بِكَ فَإِنَّا مِنْهُمْ مُنْتَقِمُونَ.
So, if we take you away, O beloved, we shall definitely henceforth take revenge on them.
أَوْ نُرِيَنَّكَ الَّذِي وَعَدْنَاهُمْ فَإِنَّا عَلَيْهِمْ مُقْتَدِرُونَ.
Or show you what we have promised them, i.e., punishment, so we have complete power over them.
فَاسْتَمْسِكْ بِالَّذِي أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ إِنَّكَ عَلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ.
Therefore, hold firm unto what we have revealed to you. Indeed, you are on the straight path.
وَإِنَّهُ لَذِكْرٌ لَكَ وَلِقَوْمِكَ وَسَوْفَ تُسْأَلُونَ.
and indeed it, i.e., the Quran, is undoubtedly a tribute for you and for your nation, and you will soon be questioned.
واسأل من أرسلنا من قبلك من رسلنا أجعلنا من دون الرحمن آلهة يعبدون.
And O beloved, ask those messengers whom we sent before you, did we ever appoint gods to be worshipped other than the Most Gracious? Never.
ولقد أرسلنا موسى بآياتنا إلى فرعون وملئه فقال إني رسول رب العالمين.
And indeed, we sent Musa along with our signs towards Fir'aun and his chiefs. So he said, indeed, I am a messenger of him who is the owner of all the worlds.
فلما جاءهم بآياتنا إذا هم منها يضحكون.
When he then brought our signs to them, they immediately began mocking them.
وما نريهم من آية إلا هي أكبر من أختها وأخذناهم بالعذاب لعلهم يرجعون.
And all the signs we showed them were greater than the earlier ones, and we seized them with calamity that they may refrain.
وقالوا يا أيها الساحر ادع لنا ربك بما عهد عندك إننا لمهتدون.
And they said that, O you magician, supplicate for us to your Lord by the means of his covenant which is with you, we will certainly attain guidance.
فلما كشفنا عنهم العذاب إذا هم ينكثون.
When we then removed that calamity from them, they immediately broke the promise.
ونادى فرعون في قومه قال يا قوم أليس لي ملك مصر وهذه الأنهار تجري من تحتي أفلا تبصرون.
And Fir'aun called out amongst his nation that, O my people, is the kingship of Egypt not for me, and these rivers which flow beneath me? So do you not see?
أم أنا خير من هذا الذي هو مهين ولا يكاد يبين.
Or am I not better than him, Musa, who is an ordinary man and he does not seem to talk clearly?
فلولا ألقي عليه أسورة من ذهب أو جاء معه الملائكة مقترنين.
So, why was he not bestowed with bracelets of gold, or angels should have come with him, staying by him?
فاستخف قومه فأطاعوه إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
Then he fooled his people, so they followed him. Indeed, they were disobedient people.
فلما آسفونا انتقمنا منهم فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
So when they did that, due to which our wrath descended upon them, we took revenge on them. We henceforth drowned them all.
فجعلناهم سلفا ومثلا للآخرين.
So we made them a story of the past and an example for the latter people.
ولما ضرب ابن مريم مثلا إذا قومك منه يصدون.
And when the example of the son of Maryam is mentioned, your people start immediately laughing at it.
وقالوا أآلهتنا خير أم هو ما ضربوه لك إلا جدلا بل هم قوم خصمون.
And they say, are our deities better or he, i.e., Isa? They did not say this to you except to dispute unjustly. Rather, they are a quarrelsome people.
إن هو إلا عبد أنعمنا عليه وجعلناه مثلا لبني إسرائيل.
He He, Isa, is not, but only a bondsman of Allah, upon whom we have bestowed favor, and we made him a miraculous example for the children of Israel.
ولو نشاء لجعلنا منكم ملائكة في الأرض يخلفون.
And had we willed, so we would have let the angels dwell on the earth instead of you.
وإنه لعلم للساعة فلا تمترن بها واتبعون هذا صراط مستقيم.
O beloved, tell them, and indeed, the descending of Isa from the heavens is a sign of the day of resurrection. Therefore, never have doubt in the day of resurrection, and obey me. This is the straight path.
ولا يصدنكم الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
The devil must never stop you. He is indeed your open enemy.
ولما جاء عيسى بالبينات قال قد جئتكم بالحكمة ولأبين لكم بعض الذي تختلفون فيه فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
And when Isa came with clear signs, he said, I have brought to you wisdom, and for this reason that I explain to you some of the matters regarding which you dispute. Therefore fear Allah and obey me.
إن الله هو ربي وربكم فاعبدوه هذا صراط مستقيم.
Allah is indeed my Lord and yours, therefore worship Him. This is the straight path.
فاختلف الأحزاب من بينهم فويل للذين ظلموا من عذاب يوم أليم.
Groups then differed amongst themselves, so woe to the unjust people from the punishment of a painful day.
هل ينظرون إلا الساعة أن تأتيهم بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
What are they waiting for except the last day, that it may suddenly come upon them while they are unaware?
الأخلاء يومئذ بعضهم لبعض عدو إلا المتقين.
Close friends will turn into enemies of one another on that day, except the pious.
يا عباد لا خوف عليكم اليوم ولا أنتم تحزنون.
It will be said to them, O my bondsmen, this day there shall be no fear upon you, nor any grief.
الذين آمنوا بآياتنا وكانوا مسلمين.
Those who believed in our verses and were Muslims.
ادخلوا الجنة أنتم وأزواجكم تحبرون.
Enter paradise, you and your wives, as being entertained as honored guests.
يطاف عليهم بصحاف من ذهب وأكواب وفيها ما تشتهيه الأنفس وتلذ الأعين وأنتم فيها خالدون.
Golden dishes and cups will be passed amongst them, and in it will be everything that the hearts desire, and which brings delight to the eyes, and you will live therein forever.
وتلك الجنة التي أورثتموها بما كنتم تعملون.
And this is the paradise which you are made to inherit because of your deeds.
لكم فيها فاكهة كثيرة منها تأكلون.
For you are many fruits therein, from which you may eat.
إن المجرمين في عذاب جهنم خالدون.
Indeed, the culprits are to stay in the punishment of hell forever.
لا يفتر عنهم وهم فيه مبلسون.
And it will never be made light upon them, and therein they will remain in despair.
وما ظلمناهم ولكن كانوا هم الظالمين.
And we did not oppress them at all. Yes, they themselves were unjust.
ونادوا يا مالك ليقض علينا ربك قال إنكم ماكثون.
And they will cry out, O Malik, i.e., the name of the guard of hell, ask your Lord to destroy us. He will say, you are to stay forever.
لقد جئناكم بالحق ولكن أكثركم للحق كارهون.
Indeed, we have brought the truth to you, but most of you dislike the truth.
أم أبرموا أمرا فإنا مبرمون.
Do they assume that they have made their works solid? So, we shall make our works solid.
أم يحسبون أنا لا نسمع سرهم ونجواهم بلى ورسلنا لديهم يكتبون.
Do they arrogantly think that we do not listen to their whispers and their hidden consultation? Yes, why not? And our angels are with them, writing down their actions.
قل إن كان للرحمن ولد فأنا أول العابدين.
Say you, O beloved, if hypothetically the most gracious had offspring, so I would have been the first to worship it.
سبحان رب السماوات والأرض رب العرش عما يصفون.
Purity is to the Lord of the heavens and the earth, the Lord of the throne, from those things which they fabricate.
فذرهم يخوضوا ويلعبوا حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي يوعدون.
Therefore, leave them to utter vile speech and to play until they confront that day which they are promised.
وهو الذي في السماء إله وفي الأرض إله وهو الحكيم العليم.
And only He is the God of those of the heaven and the God of those of the earth, and only He is the wise, the all-knowing.
وتبارك الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض وما بينهما وعنده علم الساعة وإليه ترجعون.
And most blessed is He for whom is the kingdom of the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them, and only with Him is the knowledge of the last day, and towards only Him you are to return.
ولا يملك الذين يدعون من دونه الشفاعة إلا من شهد بالحق وهم يعلمون.
And those whom they worship other than Allah do not have the right of intercession. Yes, the right of intercession is only for those beloveds of Allah who testify to the truth and have knowledge.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَهُمْ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ فَأَنَّىٰ يُؤْفَكُونَ.
And if you ask them as to who created them, so they will definitely answer, Allah. So to where are they returning?
وَقِيلِهِ يَا رَبِّ إِنَّ هَٰؤُلَاءِ قَوْمٌ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
And I swear an oath by this saying of the beloved messenger that, O my Lord, these people do not believe.
فَاصْفَحْ عَنْهُمْ وَقُلْ سَلَامٌ فَسَوْفَ يَعْلَمُونَ.
Therefore, overlook them and just say salam to, that they will soon come to know their outcome. Surah Ad-Dukhan. This surah is Makkiyah, containing 59 verses and 3 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
حميم والكتاب المبين.
By the oath of that luminous book, i.e., the Quran.
إنا أنزلناه في ليلة مباركة إنا كنا
indeed sent it down in a blessed night. Indeed, it is we who warn.
فيها يفرق كل أمر حكيم
Therein are distributed all the works of wisdom.
أمرا من عندنا إنا كنا مرسلين
By a command from us, indeed, it is we who send prophets.
رحمة من ربك إنه هو السميع العليم
Mercy from your Lord. Indeed, only He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إن كنتم موقنين
He who is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and whatever is between them, you will know this if you have certainty.
لا إله إلا هو يحيي ويميت ربكم ورب آبائكم الأولين
No one is worthy of worship except Him. He gives life and causes death. He is your Lord and the Lord of your previous forefathers.
بل هم في شك يلعبون
Rather, they, i.e., the disbelievers, are in doubt, playing.
فارتقب يوم تأتي السماء بدخان مبين
So, you keep waiting for that day when the sky will bring forth a visible smoke,
يغشى الناس هذا عذاب أليم
which will smother the people. This is a painful punishment.
ربنا اكشف عنا العذاب إنا مؤمنون
They will say on that day, O our Lord, remove the punishment from us. We now accept faith.
أنى لهم الذكرى وقد جاءهم رسول مبين
How can it be a possibility for them to accept advice, whereas a messenger who speaks clearly has already come to them?
ثم تولوا عنه وقالوا معلم مجنون
They then turned away from him and said, He is a madman, tutored.
إنا كاشف العذاب قليلا إنكم عائدون
We removed the punishment for some days. You will then do the same, i.e., you would disbelieve again.
يوم نبطش البطشة الكبرى إنا منتقمون
Remember the day when we will seize with the greatest seizure. Indeed, we are to take revenge.
ولقد فتنا قبلهم قوم فرعون وجاءهم رسول كريم
And we indeed tested the people of Fir'aun before them, and an honorable messenger, Musa, came to them.
أن أدوا إلي عباد الله إني لكم رسول أمين
Who said that, Hand over that bondsman of Allah to me. I am indeed a trustworthy messenger to you.
وألا تعلوا على الله إني آتيكم بسلطان مبين
And do not rebel against Allah. I bring to you a clear proof.
وإني عذت بربي وربكم أن ترجمون
Said Musa, and I take refuge in my Lord and your Lord, in this regard that you may stone me.
وإن لم تؤمنوا لي فاعتزلون
And if you do not believe in me, so keep apart from me.
فدعا ربه أن هؤلاء قوم مجرمون
So he supplicated to his Lord that these are the criminal people.
فأسر بعبادي ليلا إنكم متبعون
We commanded him, take my bondsmen away at night, you will definitely be chased.
واترك البحر رهوا إنهم جند مغرقون.
And leave the river open as it is at different places. Indeed, that army of Fir'aun will be drowned.
كم تركوا من جنات وعيون.
How many gardens and water springs they have left behind.
وزروع ومقام كريم.
And crop fields and nice houses.
ونعمة كانوا فيها فاكهين.
And bounties wherein they were stress-free.
كذلك وأورثناها قوما آخرين.
This is how we did, and we made another nation their heirs.
فما بكت عليهم السماء والأرض وما كانوا منظرين.
So the heavens and the earth did not cry over them, and they were not given respite.
ولقد نجينا بني إسرائيل من العذاب المهين.
And indeed we rescued the children of Israel from a disgraceful punishment.
من فرعون إنه كان عاليا من المسرفين.
From Fir'aun, he was indeed arrogant amongst the transgressors.
ولقد اخترناهم على علم على العالمين.
And indeed we knowingly chose them above the people of that time.
وآتيناهم من الآيات ما فيه بلاء مبين.
And we gave them those signs in which there was a clear award.
إن هؤلاء ليقولون.
Indeed, these people say,
إن هي إلا موتتنا الأولى وما نحن بمنشرين.
there is nothing except us dying once only, and we will not be raised.
فأتوا بآبائنا إن كنتم صادقين.
Therefore, bring back our dead forefathers if you are truthful.
أهم خير أم قوم تبع والذين من قبلهم أهلكناهم إنهم كانوا مجرمين.
Are they, i.e. the disbelievers of Makkah, better in might, or the people of Tubba, a king of Yemen, and those who were before them, i.e. before the people of Tubba? We destroyed them, i.e. the previous disbelievers. They were indeed criminals.
وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما لاعبين.
And we did not create the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them in amusement.
ما خلقناهما إلا بالحق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
We did not create them except with the truth, i.e. genuine purpose, but most of them know not.
إن يوم الفصل ميقاتهم أجمعين.
Indeed, the day of decision is the appointed time for all of them.
يوم لا يغني مولا عن مولا شيئا ولا هم ينصرون.
The day on which a friend will not benefit a friend at all, and nor will they be helped.
إلا من رحم الله إنه هو العزيز الرحيم.
Except him upon whom Allah has mercy. Indeed, only He is the Honorable, the Merciful.
إن شجرة الزقوم.
Indeed, the tree of Zaqum.
طعام الأثيم.
It is the food of the sinners.
كالمهل يغلي في البطون.
Like molten copper, it boils in their bellies.
كغلي الحميم.
Like the boiling of sizzling hot water.
خذوه فاعتلوه إلى سواء الجحيم.
Seize him, take him by force, dragging him right to the blazing fire.
ثم ثم صبوا فوق رأسه من عذاب الحميم
Then pour on his head the punishment of boiling water.
ذق إنك أنت العزيز الكريم
Taste, yes, certainly, only you are the most honorable, the dignified.
إن هذا ما كنتم به تمترون
Indeed, this punishment is that in which you used to doubt.
إن المتقين في مقام أمين
Indeed, the pious people are in a place of safety,
في جنات وعيون
in gardens and water springs.
يلبسون من سندس وإستبرق متقابلين
They will wear fine and thick silk and will be facing each other.
كذلك وزوجناهم بحور عين
This is how it is, and we have got them married to the maidens having pitch black and big, bright, gorgeous eyes.
يدعون فيها بكل فاكهة آمنين
Therein they will ask for all kinds of fruits in peace.
لا يذوقون فيها الموت إلا الموتة الأولى ووقاهم عذاب الجحيم
They will not taste death in it, i.e., in paradise, except their former death, and Allah has saved them from the punishment of the fire.
فضلا من ربك ذلك هو الفوز العظيم
As bounty from your Lord, this is the great success.
فإنما يسرناه بلسانك لعلهم يتذكرون
So, we have made this Quran easy in your language, that they may understand.
فارتقب إنهم مرتقبون
Therefore, you wait, O beloved, for their destruction. They too are waiting for your passing away. Surah Al-Jathiyah. This surah is Makkiyah, containing 37 verses and 4 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
حميم تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز الحكيم
The sending down of the book, i.e., the Quran, is from Allah, the Honorable, the Wise.
إن في السماوات والأرض لآيات للمؤمنين
Indeed, in the heavens and the earth are signs for the believers.
وفي خلقكم وما يبث من دابة آيات لقوم يوقنون
And in your creation, and whichever animal He scatters in the earth, in them are signs for the people of certainty.
واختلاف الليل والنهار وما أنزل الله من السماء من رزق فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها وتصريف الرياح آيات لقوم يعقلون
And in the alternation of the night and the day, and in this, that Allah sends down rain from the sky as a mean of sustenance. So with it, He gave life to the earth after its death, and in the revolving around of the winds. In all of these are signs for the people of intellect.
تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك بالحق فبأي حديث بعد الله وآياته يؤمنون
These are the verses of Allah that we recite upon you with the truth. Then leaving Allah and His verses, what will they believe in?
ويل لكل أفاك أثيم
Ruin is for every great slandering sinner.
يسمع آيات الله تتلى عليه ثم يصر مستكبرا كأن لم يسمعها فبشره بعذاب أليم.
Who hears the verses of Allah which are recited to him, then remains stubborn, displaying arrogance as if he did not hear them. Therefore, give him the good news of a painful punishment.
وَإِذَا عَلِمَ مِنْ آيَاتِنَا شَيْئًا اتَّخَذَهَا هُزُوًا أُولَئِكَ لَهُمْ عَذَابٌ مُهِينٌ.
And when he comes to know about any of our verses, he mocks them. For them is a disgraceful punishment.
مِنْ وَرَائِهِمْ جَهَنَّمُ ولا يغني عنهم ما كسبوا شيئا ولا ما اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Hell is after them, and what they have earned will not benefit them at all, and nor those whom they had taken as helpers other than Allah. And for them is a great punishment.
هذا هدى والذين كفروا بآيات ربهم لهم عذاب من رجز أليم.
This, i.e., the Quran, shows the right path, and those who disbelieved in the verses of their Lord, for them is the severest punishment from the most painful punishment.
الله الذي سخر لكم البحر لتجري الفلك فيه بأمره ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
It is Allah who has subjected the sea for you, that ships may sail upon it by His command, and for this reason that you seek His benevolence, i.e., sustenance, and in order that you may be grateful.
وسخر لكم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض جميعا منه إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
And He has made whatever is in the heavens and in the earth subservient to you by His command. Indeed, in these are the signs for the people who ponder.
قل للذين آمنوا يغفروا للذين لا يرجون أيام الله ليجزي قوما بما كانوا يكسبون.
Tell the believers, O beloved, overlook those who do not hope for the days of Allah, in order that Allah may reward a nation for what they used to earn.
من عمل صالحا فلنفسه ومن أساء فعليها ثم إلى ربكم ترجعون.
Whosoever does a good deed, so it is for his own good, and whoever commits an evil deed, so it is for his own harm. You will then be returned towards your Lord.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحُكْمَ وَالنُّبُوَّةَ ورزقناهم من الطيبات وفضلناهم على العالمين.
And indeed, we bestowed upon the children of Israel the book, i.e., the Torah, and sovereignty and prophethood, and gave pure things for sustenance to them, and exalted them over all the others of their era.
وآتيناهم بينات من الأمر فما اختلفوا إلا من بعد ما جاءهم العلم بغيا بينهم إن ربك يقضي بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
And we gave them a clear proof regarding this matter of their religion. So they did not differ, but after this, that the knowledge had come to them due to mutual jealousy. Indeed, your Lord will judge between them on the day of resurrection concerning the matter wherein they differ.
ثم جعلناك على شريعة من الأمر فاتبعها ولا تتبع أهواء الذين لا يعلمون.
We then set you, O beloved, on the clear path in this matter, i.e., the religion. Therefore, continue following it and do not follow the desires of the ignorant.
إنهم لن يغنوا عنك من الله شيئا وإن الظالمين بعضهم أولياء بعض والله ولي المتقين.
Indeed, they cannot benefit you at all against Allah, and indeed, the unjust are friends of each other, and Allah is the friend of those who fear.
هذا بصائر للناس وهدى ورحمة لقوم يوقنون.
This, i.e., the Quran is an eye-opener for the people and guidance and mercy for those who believe.
أم حسب الذين اجترحوا السيئات أن نجعلهم كالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات سواء محياهم ومماتهم ساء ما يحكمون.
Do those who have committed evil assume this, that we will make them equal to those who have believed and done good deeds, and that would the life and the death of these pious people be equal to those evil people? What an evil judgment they pass.
وخلق الله السماوات والأرض بالحق ولتجزى كل نفس بما كسبت وهم لا يظلمون.
And Allah has created the heavens and the earth with the truth, and in order that every soul is repaid for what it has earned, and they will not be wronged.
أفرأيت من اتخذ إلهه هواه وأضله الله على علم وختم على سمعه وقلبه وجعل على بصره غشاوة فمن يهديه من بعد الله أفلا تذكرون.
Just look at him who made his desire as his God, and Allah caused him to go astray despite his knowledge, and set a seal upon his ears and his heart and a covering upon his eyes.
So, who would guide him after Allah? So, do you not ponder?
وقالوا ما هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا نموت ونحيا وما يهلكنا إلا الدهر وما لهم بذلك من علم إن هم إلا يظنون.
And they said, there is nothing except our worldly life, in which we die and we live, and nothing destroys us except time. And they do not have any knowledge of this. They make mere speculations.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ مَا كَانَ حُجَّتُهُمْ إِلَّا أَن قَالُوا ائْتُوا بآبائنا إن كنتم صادقين.
And when our clear verses are recited to them, so their only argument is that they say, bring back our forefathers if you are truthful.
قُلِ اللَّهُ يُحْيِيكُمْ ثُمَّ يُمِيتُكُمْ ثُمَّ يَجْمَعُكُمْ إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ لا ريب فيه ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
Say you, O beloved, it is Allah who gives you life, then will cause you to die, then will gather you all on the day of resurrection, in which there is no doubt, but most people know not.
ولله ملك السماوات والأرض ويوم تقوم الساعة يومئذ يخسر المبطلون.
And only to Allah belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth. And when the day of resurrection is established, on that day is loss for the followers of falsehood.
وترى كل أمة جاثية كل أمة تدعى إلى كتابها اليوم تجزون ما كنتم تعملون.
And you will see every group down on its knees. Every group will be called towards its book of deeds. This day you will be repaid for what you did.
هذا كتابنا ينطق عليكم بالحق إنا كنا نستنسخ ما كنتم تعملون.
This book of ours speak the truth against you. We had been recording whatever you did.
فأما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فيدخلهم ربهم في رحمته ذلك هو الفوز المبين.
So those who believed and did good deeds, their Lord will admit them into His mercy. Only this is very clear victory.
وأما الذين كفروا أفلم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم فاستكبرتم وكنتم قوما مجرمين.
And to those who disbelieved, it will be said to them, was it not that our verses were recited to you? So you were arrogant and you were a criminal people.
وَإِذَا قِيلَ إِنَّ وَعْدَ اللَّهِ حَقٌّ وَالسَّاعَةُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهَا قُلْتُمْ مَا نَدْرِي مَا السَّاعَةُ إِن نَّظُنُّ إِلَّا ظَنًّا وَمَا نَحْنُ بِمُسْتَيْقِنِينَ.
And when it is said, indeed the promise of Allah is true, and there is no doubt regarding the day of resurrection, you say, we do not know what the day of resurrection is. We think of it as some vague idea, and we have no certainty.
وَبَدَا لَهُمْ سَيِّئَاتُ مَا عَمِلُوا وَحَاقَ بِهِم مَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
And the evils of their deeds appeared to them, and the punishment which they used to mock surrounded them.
وَقِيلَ الْيَوْمَ نَنسَاكُمْ كَمَا نَسِيتُمْ لِقَاءَ يَوْمِكُمْ هَذَا وَمَأْوَاكُمُ النَّارُ وَمَا لَكُمْ مِنْ نَاصِرِينَ.
And it will be said, this day we shall leave you just like you had forgotten the confronting of this day of yours, and your abode is the fire, and you do not have any helper.
ذَلِكُمْ بِأَنَّكُمُ اتَّخَذْتُمْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ هُزُوًا وَغَرَّتْكُمُ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يُخْرَجُونَ مِنْهَا وَلَا هُمْ يُسْتَعْتَبُونَ.
This is because you mocked the signs of Allah, and the worldly life deceived you. So, this day they are not to be brought out from the fire, and nor will they be asked to do something to please Allah.
فَلِلَّهِ الْحَمْدُ رَبِّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَرَبِّ الْأَرْضِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ.
So, all praise is due to only Allah, the Lord of the heavens and the Lord of the earth and the Lord of all the worlds.
وَلَهُ الْكِبْرِيَاءُ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ.
and only for Him is the greatness in the heavens and in the earth, and only He is the most honorable, the wise.